Today, guys, I'll be sharing with you a card that I created for my daughter's birthday coming up September 2nd, 2022. And I am partaking in Jill Norwood Saturday Morning Makes. Anyone could partake in this Saturday Morning Make to share their creative design. So if you're interested, I'll list her link in the description box down below. Also, stick with me to the end. I have something for my subscribers. So if you're interested in seeing the card that I created for my daughter, please do stay tuned. Welcome for those of you who are new to my channel. My name is Claudette with MsPuff Creative Corner. So let's jump into the card that I created. I want to show you some of the items that I used to create that card. I used this wooden block that I got from eBay. Is hand stamped for you. It's by JRL Design, and that is E305 hand stamped for you. I also used some dies from the Greenwood, and these are wafer tin dies, and it came through in a set. I used these Stampin' Up dies, and these are called, and these are retired, and they are Stitched So Sweetly dies. But this is really was a nice die set. It is a nice die set, I should say. And I use these tag dies, which is stitched all around. And I got these off of, I think I got these off of AliExpress. Now, I also use this crochet lace, which is from Walmart. So I used this double oval punch, and this is by Stampin' Up. So you have the oval, and then you have two oval, one plain one and one with the scallop edges. I use the Jim Holtz Distress Oxide ink, and this is Vintage Photo. And the stamp set that I'm featuring, these are by Stampin' Up, and these two stamp sets are current, and I use Days to Remember. And I think this is a pretty cool stamp set because you could use it to make calendars, but it's also great for special events like birthdays, baby showers. It's good for scrapbooking, and you could get creative. It's a learning curve to use the dates on here, but there's a lot of videos on how to use this, but I think it's a pretty cool stamp set. And I use Cheerful basket, which is also a nice stamp set, and it comes with its coordinating dies. And with the dies here, you get 20 pieces in there to cut out the images. And also I use the fine tip glue pen, which is a clear glossy glue. So let me go ahead and show you the card that I created. Get some of these stuff out of the way. And this is the card that I created for my daughter's birthday, which is coming up, like I said, September 2nd. So you could see here where I used the tin wafer Greenwood die, and I stamped September in red. And they also have a little circle stamp where you could mark your event date, which is the 2nd. And I put together the bushel of apples here, and I colored them in Stampin' Up alcohol markers. And I also added the fine tip glue pen to it, which adds some shimmer to it. And these leaves, I add some fallen leaves here, and I edged those up with the Vintage Photo. You could also see where I edged up the Vintage Photo around this cardstock here, which is in a vanilla color. And then these two pieces right here is where I use the dies Stitched So Sweetly. I used two of the dies and layered those up. I used two different sizes. I used two different sizes of these dies here, and I layered those up. I sandwiched the lace in between those two dies. I also got some buttons here. This is a wooden heart button, and I think I got these from AliExpress. And I added some twine to the back. I tied a bow and added some twine there to the back. This 50 cents right here, I had it from some designer series paper from Stampin' Up. I just cut that out. I also etched that up with the Vintage Photo, give it that older look. And I use a red and cream checkered designer series paper by Stampin' Up. I also added some gold pearls here by Stampin' Up. I think those are retired too as well. And then in the inside, I used that little tag which has stitching around. I edged that up with the vintage distress ink. And this is where I put my oval punch and use the scallop. I add a leaf right there. I add the little kitty right here. And then to the back, I stamped, hand stamped for you, Love Mommy 2022. And the only thing with the days to remember stamp, they don't have the numbers where you could stamp in the year. But that is that. I also had some leftover, a small strip of leftover designer checkered piece. I add that to the flap of the envelope. So this is quite bulky to mail out, but I am going to hand deliver this to her. So that's not an issue for mailing. And I think I'm going to add some other stuff here in the inside. I'm not sure. There's a butterfly that they have in here. I was just going to add the butterfly so the kitty could be looking at the butterfly, but I wasn't sure if that would be too much in there. So that is the card that I created for my daughter. And also, if you're interested, I have a giveaway, and these are iridescent pearls, and these would be nice for your winter cards. So if you're interested in entering to win this, just leave a comment below something in regards to birthday wishes, and I'll know that you would like to be entered into the giveaway. And again, this giveaway is for my subscribers. So if you're interested in seeing other projects like this or my other creation, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. So you're going to go and check the community tab to the top. Is next to where you see home videos playlist. Is right next to playlist. So you're going to check that community tab. And I'm going to post the winner there on Monday, September 12th, 8 p.m. by 8 p.m. Eastern Time. So go ahead, check the community tab on September 12th, which is a Monday, 2022. And I'll post the winner there. And I would send you my email address where you could send me your mailing address. Again, you have up to September 12th, 8 p.m. Eastern Time to enter a comment down below so you can be entered for the drawing to win these iridescent pearls. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I will catch you guys on my next video.